In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can contact DeepSeek AI. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to chat.deepseek.com and log in to your DeepSeek AI account. Once you're inside, what you're going to do is go to the bottom left, click on your profile, and click on Help and Feedback. This is the help center or basically the customer service for DeepSeek AI. So, you can either send a feedback right here, emailing it directly to the DeepSeek AI help team. Select the language first, type in the issue. Is it a bug report, a complaint, a refund request, the payment method, and how do you want to be contacted? Or if you go back here, you can also choose one of the frequently asked questions, and the help center will try to help you figure out a way out of your problem. And that's it. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.